Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can watch TikTok videos without any account. It's super easy to do. When you get account and you can see your suggestions are coming, but in case that you didn't have logged into your account, and you will never get any suggestion that you liked or that your account suggestions over here. So for that, I will show you how you can do it. Open up your TikTok app, and you can simply see over here, you can simply scroll over here, or you can as well go to your profile. If you have logged in, you have to simply go to three lines on the top, and you can see over here settings and privacy. Scroll all the way up and logged out to your account, and that's it. And when you have logged out, you have to simply do is refresh your app and then go your profile. You can see there is no login account over here. So you have to simply do is go to your home, and you can simply scroll down. You will see a bunch of videos over here. You can see, and that's it. That's how you can do it, or watch TikTok videos on without any account. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.